Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll showcase the website we built and deployed, and we added it on Google Search Console and all that. So let's open it up. So this is the website itself. You can see that I've managed to add some few articles. See the articles here. It's all about solar panels and all that, systems and all that. So I've added few blogs. So we're going to check the results on Google Search Console, see the performance of this site after adding those few blogs. It's been around 1 month. So let's go to performance on Google Search Console. So you can see that we have got 2 clicks. Total impression is 46 and average CTR is 4.3. So average position is around 30.7. So we have just started our SEO journey, and what remains now is post content and make sure the content has enough keywords to rank on Google. So you can see that the major queries that give impression on our site are these ones here. Top queries, you can see energy, solar energy, types of inverter and all that, and pages. You can get the pages that are ranked on Google. So that's a good thing. So let's take a look at Google Analytics also. Let's take a look at Google Analytics. So you can take a look at that. You can see there are countries, top countries and all that. So what I'm going to do now is create a content calendar. Make sure I post on this. I'll be posting blogs on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so that makes the content calendar smooth. So we're going to have that configured. So once I have that content calendar, I'll make sure I follow it. Like I said, Monday, Wednesday and Friday I'll be posting blogs on it, and make sure that it's now the tricky part of SEO. Now we have to use all the tricks that are there to make sure we rank higher on Google. So this is where the fun begins, and as always, stay tuned for more. And if you like this, make sure you subscribe, share and like. See you on the next one. Peace out.